I'm going to be demonstrating how to calibrate the GDX-PH probe in Graphical Analysis. First, I turn on the sensor by touching the button, and it will blink red when it's ready to connect via Bluetooth. I'm going to click on Sensor Data Collection in Graphical Analysis and select my electrode amplifier from the list of options. I want to make sure the pH channel is enabled, and then I click Done. To calibrate, from the Sensor Actions bar, I select Calibrate. Now my pH sensor is already in my pH 4 buffer, so the relative stability reading is stable. And now I'm going to type in the pH 4 value and select Keep. For the second value, I'm going to be using a pH 10 buffer, so I need to remove my pH sensor from the pH 4 buffer and rinse it with deionized water. I then want to pat it dry with a chem wipe and put it in my pH 10 buffer solution. Again, we look at the relative stability reading and make sure it is stable. This will take a few seconds. And then I type in the number 10, since that's the known value of the pH buffer, and press Keep. And then I click Apply. And now I want to double check that my sensor reads pH 10 in the 10 buffer, and it does. For ease of view, I'm going to turn on the meters. There, that's much easier to read. It is definitely within the error. So now I'm going to put it back in my pH 4 buffer and make sure it reads pH 4 there. So I'm going to rinse with deionized water and pat it dry with the chem wipe. And it will take a few seconds to stabilize again. This is a big jump for a pH sensor. And it does help if you provide a little bit of agitation or stirring to the solution. And there it is, back at pH 4. Now my pH sensor is calibrated and ready to use, and the calibration is automatically stored to the sensor.